Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson V8 and lay it on a flat surface. This will make the process easier and safer. Start by removing the battery. Locate the two screws on the back of the vacuum using your T15 Torx screwdriver. Carefully unscrew them and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the battery away from the main body of the vacuum. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have it serviced without any hassle. Next, let's move on to the filters. The Dyson V8 has two filters, one located at the back of the machine and another in the cyclone assembly. To access the first filter, simply twist and pull it out from the back. It's essential to clean this filter regularly to maintain optimal performance. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear and allow it to dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. Now for the second filter, you'll need to remove the cyclone assembly. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the clips holding the cyclone in place. Once released, lift the cyclone off the main body. You'll see the second filter inside. Remove it in the same manner as the first, rinse it, and let it dry. While you have the cyclone assembly removed, it's a good opportunity to clean the inside of the vacuum. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will help maintain the suction power of your Dyson V8. After everything is clean and dry, it's time to reassemble your vacuum. Start by placing the second filter back into the cyclone assembly, ensuring it fits snugly. Then, reattach the cyclone to the main body, making sure the clips click back into place. Next, insert the first filter back into the back of the vacuum. It should fit securely. Now take the battery and align it with the connectors on the vacuum. Push it in until you hear a click, indicating it's locked in place. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier using the T15 Torx screwdriver. Ensure they are tightened properly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the casing. If at any point you feel uncertain about the process, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. This way you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Dyson V8 and give it a test run. You should notice improved performance with the new battery and clean filters. Regular maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your vacuum cleaner, so be sure to check the filters every month and replace the battery as needed. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.